Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, we're going to do a 500 pesos haul from SM. This is not, from SM. So first, I bought this one for myself. Snack. My favorite snack, Boy Bawang. Masarap to guys. It's really yummy. And this one, yogurt. Already done. My son eat this. This is 22 pesos. And this one is yogurt drink also for my son. 57 pesos. So, siya yung pumili nito. My son choose this one. Let's see if madami ba tayo mapapamili sa halagang 500 pesos. Or in English is, let's see if we can buy a lot of things for 500 pesos. So we got 3. Yeah. Next is this one. For myself also. Chips. It's onion rings. Look at that. And then, actually, we have one more chips. This one, but my son already ate this. This one is, how much is this? It's 17 pesos. This one, 17 pesos. And this one is 8 pesos. And then, we got more. Let's see if worth it ba or talagang mahal na talaga yung mga gastusin ngayon all over the world. Mahal na talaga ang mga bilihin. And I bought noodles. And this one. My son loves noodles. It's, how much is this one? Noodles. It's 53 pesos. Tapos, inside have 2, 4, 6 pieces inside. It's Lucky Me chicken noodles. Ayan, yun lang. And then, tawas. Meron tayong tawas. Yes, rar yan, rar. This is what I'm using for my underarm. Yeah. It's like a deodorant powder. Deodorant powders. This is good and cheap. I bought this for only how much? 17 pesos. And we have the most important thing that I need right now. This one. Listerine. This is for my teeth because my teeth is always get hurt. When I'm using this one, the pain is lessened. The pain is lessened. So ayan, commercial muna tayo. I'm with my son. Doon na, mag-roar ka na doon. Roar. Roar. So, eto po. Nag-vlog ako yung kamay. So, ayan. Maraming extra sa paligid ko. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Ayan. Ito. Basta ito. Really need this one. Ayan. And then, I also bought something on Watson. Oh, this is the paper bag from Watson. I bought their 2 items only. Hello. Where is? This one, medicine for my son. I just bought it earlier. Yan. It's, where is the receipt? Still inside the SM pa rin naman to. So, ayan. Sali yan. Kasi, ang anak ko ay may ubo at sipon. Saan na yun? O, diba? Kulang yung item natin. Ah! So, it's called Carbocysteine Solmax. Yan. It's only, how much is this? 124 pesos. This one. And I bought another one. It's for myself. Where is it? It's missing now. Wait, I'm going to find it first. So, nakita ko na kung ano yung nawala. Ito siya. Nichido Eyebrow. Para maganda-ganda naman tayo kahit konti. Yan. I bought this for only 120 pesos. Kasi wala na akong, I don't have eyebrows anymore. So, I buy one. That's it. The total is almost 5. Where is the another? It's total it. Kung lagpas ba siya ng, o lagpas siya. The total is 550 something. Yan. That's the total of everything. So, ayun guys. What do you think? Is it the 500 pesos is worth it or no? Yan. Let's do a thumbnail. So, ayun lang guys. Hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoy it. I enjoy it with myself. So, ayun. Alam niyo, sobrang mahal na talaga ng mga bilihin ngayon. So, we need to save and work hard. Ganun talaga. Yan lang nabili natin. So, kung may gusto pa kayong gawin or if you have something that you want me to do like a content, feel free to comment down below your idea. What should I do next or content that you want me to do. But for the meantime, I'm gonna do the request of my special someone. Okay, I'm going to be a good vlogger na talaga. So, ayun lang. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Mwah!